Hello guys, show you how to connect the apps SCENTLIFE to CH124. First step to download these apps and then register with your mobile phone and the SMS code. After you connect the power supply of CH124 and then you press this button. Okay, until you hear the sound and then open the apps. And then here click here and then choose the Wi-Fi, and then here we'll see that to turn on the Bluetooth. So you will open the Bluetooth and then go back the apps. After you confirm all the turn on the location, turn on the Bluetooth, turn on the Wi-Fi, you will click next. You will see this one, it is this machine, and click this one, and then you will see the Wi-Fi name of yours and then put your password. Sure that need to be correct. Let me put ours. And then you can double check, sure 100 correct, and then done, and next. We'll need some minutes, we'll wait for that. Okay, when you see that you need to put the device name, means that already connected. So you will name it. Maybe I will name it CH124. Yeah, and done, and then confirm. And then you will see that need to scan the QR code. The QR code is in the accessory. So this one, it is F. I also can click here to confirm and then click next. Yeah, already done. Here is the control page. Here is the setting. Here's setting. We can set it. We can click. So we can set the working day. Here it is from Monday to Sunday. If you need it is work on that day, you can make it blue. So you see that right now it is work every day. So if I don't want it work on Friday, I will click it. It will turn to gray color, means that it will not work on this day. And here is the working hour. We can start time. Maybe I want start from 9 o'clock and then close 23 o'clock. And here is the scent intensity setting. The spray second could set from 5 seconds to 480 seconds. So maybe I don't want it so strong, so I will set it up in the 21 seconds. And the pulse it could set from 60 seconds from 900 seconds. Maybe I will set it in the 80 seconds. Okay, done. I will click here to confirm. Yeah, after that we'll see that I will hear DD sound, means that it already received this setting. So this other group, when you want to set in another program, you can make it. Okay, after that you can see here the control setting will have the reset oil level. Right now assume that you fill the oil 100%, you can make it up at 100%. So after that it will tell you that here it is full bottle, and after you use maybe several days, I will tell you how many percent remain oil in the bottle. So it is very handy to see that how many oil left, to tell you that if you want to refill or not. Here have another setting. You can click here. Name, you can rename it, and also the model you can change it. Also you can make it in a group. Assume that maybe you have I don't know, maybe 100 machine, you just want to control it in one group. That will be more handy. You can do that. Here's the flavor, because sometimes you want to know each machine what type set flavor, you can change here. Maybe I modify to, maybe charm. Yeah. And then here is the authorize. You can share to others, but sure that it already registered in these apps, so that you can put his mobile number or its email, and then you click here to confirm share with him, so that that person also can control this machine. Because sometimes if you want to share your family or the sense marketing, you can you are the boss, and then you want to the staff also need to control it, you can share this machine to them. Yeah, this is the also here is the control the power off and on. Yeah. And here is the group function. You can see that we can add group. Maybe, I don't know, yeah, here done, save. It will make a group. You can put this order machine into here and then setting all together. Maybe the power on and off. Also, you can see the, maybe I add the device first. Yeah, here and then at this one, you can see that it is so convenient to control it, modify the group program, the setting, the working day, and the intensity. Also can share to others, and also the oil reset function. So it is very convenient when you have so many machines to control. And the other function is that mine. This is the admin. You can see the warranty terms here, and also the safe use guide and the help. If you have any question, you can just send a message to us. Yeah, here have the records of who you share the machine to. Here is your own information. You can change it by here. So yeah, all is done. And also, if you don't have the Wi-Fi signal, you also can control it by phone. So you can choose this a Bluetooth, so it also can control it directly. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.